AI is transforming the way we approach everyday work. By automating repetitive tasks, professionals reclaim time for higher-value activities and foster a more productive, engaging work environment. Discover how leveraging AI can eliminate bottlenecks, increase accuracy, and motivate your team to reach new heights. Start by identifying the routine tasks that consume significant time and resources, such as data entry, scheduling, or file organization. This clarity makes it easier to match the right AI solution to the job. Research available AI tools tailored to your workflow needs. Applications like smart schedulers, automated data processors, and intelligent assistants reduce manual effort while maintaining accuracy and consistency. Integrate your chosen AI tools into daily routines. Set up automated triggers, connect platforms, and establish clear guidelines for use. Training your team ensures everyone is comfortable collaborating with AI systems. Monitor results and gather feedback regularly. Adjust AI settings as needed to optimize performance and address new workflow challenges. Celebrate improvements in productivity and encourage ongoing innovation. Harnessing AI to streamline mundane tasks unlocks potential for creativity, growth, and satisfaction at work. By embracing intelligent automation, you enable your team to focus on what matters most, driving results and making a meaningful impact.